about that. Should be even, but you see this side's just a little darker. Taking a trip to BMW tomorrow. See if we can't get that handle. I don't think they're gonna cover under the warranty, so I feel like this is going to be a DIY project in the near future. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a lot. Wheels off, bumper, grill, headlights out. It's gonna be a lot. Gonna be a good video though.
Much later.
What up, people? Back with another Christmas Day. All I want for Christmas is my angel out of work. Common problem with the G35 series is the angel eyes going out. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. So today, we about to tackle that problem. I'm gonna have to take a break. So, we got a bit of a dilemma. Just found out that I do not have a tire iron. So, can't take the wheel off. That's gonna make things just a little bit more difficult, but we might can make it happen. So, let's try it out. And here we go. Oh, bitch. All right, so step one. We have to take off, it's about 5 bolts in the inside of this wheel well, which would have been really easy to get to had I could take out the tire. But as we just discovered, I do not have that. So, we gotta do this the hard way. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Be right back. But we have this one, there's one there, a couple in there, and it's way right there. All right, so wish me luck, because all I got is this little thing. So I just found out all my electric tools, all my tools are failing me right now real bad, and it's upsetting me and my homegirl.
It's upsetting me and my homegirl, because we feel like, well, damn, if you can't go to Better No Chase, what the hell could you go? So,
wish me luck. This is going to take a lot longer than I thought. Definitely going to be taking a break to watch the game. Oh, wait. Oh, we might still be. Oh, also, okay. All right. All right, it's not electric, but it's going to make it go a lot faster. Woo! All right, one down. This is gonna take a while. Be back. You know what? I did that. All right, so we got most of these bolts in here all, so now it's time to pull off. Break the duct for the brakes that come from the front. The brakes, then it's this little panel right up here. 2 tabs. All right, got them loose, and now we just gotta figure out why it's so apparently it hooks up the bottom. All right, for whatever reason, they had this ledge stuck up underneath there, so I just couldn't. I had to like strongman it. It's hard plastic, so it didn't break. All right, setting this aside. All right, so we got the cover back a little bit, and we need to get these 2 screws off for the bottom of the headlight, and then we also need to take apart this screw right here is to get the bumper, we'll take the bumper off so it can access that. All right, so now the struggles begins. If only I could get this wheel off, I could actually pull this back just a little bit more to get some leverage and get to that bolt. But we're gonna figure that one out. Next, I have to start unbolting the bumper. There's two of these, so there's one here. There's one deeper in there. So let's see if I can reach and find it. That's it. Nope, that's it right there. Alright, it's deep in there. Yep, lost the tool.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yo, let me tell you, it took me 2 hours to get that second bolt off. In the meantime, so in the midst of me being pissed off trying to take that bolt off, I then took off the shroud over here. It's like that, the weather stripping and the grill. Yo.
Okay, fine, I'm cool, I'm fine.
I about put everything back on and found somebody to finish them off. But we got it all, so now, boy, you just don't know how mad I was. All right, so bumper coming off. All right, so still got a couple more things to unplug that I couldn't reach because the damn tire was still on. The moment is take out the $2,000 headlight. All right, it's out. So now, about to take a break, wash my hands, and go CPR. All right, halftime over. So, ran into yet another problem. It's like you can take either the wire off in the back or flip it upside down. Can't get the wire off, and I can't flip it upside down. I don't have enough slack. So we're going to put this over here so I don't scratch this beautifully expensive headlight, and we're just going to go from the bottom.
That's what she said.
Beautiful headlights. All right, so the LED module is right there. Gotta take those two bolts out and it'll pop out. And then the fun starts. Boom. There we go. All right. Module's out. All right, so we're looking at the bottom of the headlight. The bottom of the headlight right here. And if you see, we have two little fiber optic type things here. We have this one. You see, we have 1 and 2. Outside, inside. This side, right, this part right here, the little LED modules have burnt on it. So we have to get that part off. All right. Now the fun part begins. Scary part. Terrified of it. But gotta be done. All right. Old one out. Burnt. Put the new one in. First, let's do a test fit. It worked. Yeah, all right. It'll do. It is not as bright as the other side. Bought a cheap part. Damn. But anyway, we're almost there. So we can just reinstall this and wrap this thing up. Once we get the grill, we can nail down the headlights. Once the headlights are in, we'll put the bumper back in, then finish up with the fender liner. And once the fender liner in, we'll be done. I mean, come together. BMWs are known for their iconic angel eyes, and today we are fixing mine. It's been bothering me for a little bit, but today I have some time. It's Christmas Day, don't have too many plans. My loved one is all right with me just, taking some time and doing this just because we're about to jump into it and get this done. Side note, it's gonna be an all-day thing. Let's jump into it.